Hi friends. You are welcome again the listening empire. How are you? Why do some people succeed and why do others fail? What did the successful people learn that others failed to learn? When you think about it, we come to know that there's only one difference between them, which is focus. Successful people focus more and others get distracted a lot. How many times do we get distracted every day at work? What messages did I get? What new movies came out? Thinking about what our heroes fans saying on Twitter and getting distracted. These distractions are holding us back from improving and going forward in life. More importantly, these distractions are damaging our relations too. In today's video, I'm going to talk about some tips to help you focus from the book Focus, written by Daniel Goleman. You'll understand the level of confidence you can achieve once you follow these tips. You'll get the confidence to do any work completely. So watch this video till the end without missing anything. Willpower is the key to focus. Focus, motivation, and determination are very important to achieve your goals. Someone who has great willpower has all three of these. This strong willpower is going to change our lives. As a part of an experiment, 1,000 children were tested by giving them tasks. To see how these children handled frustration, stress, concentration, perseverance. After 26 years, the researchers met these children to know how they are doing in life. After meeting all the children, knowing their criminal records, the properties they have by then, the researchers concluded that the children who had high willpower were in a good position in their lives. In the same way, the willpower we have in us enables us to reach greater heights. Willpower is not given to you by birth, you have to increase it by practice. Daniel Goleman says in this book that the most effective way to develop your willpower is to do what you love. Why does willpower grow when you do what you love? When we work with our values, our willpower automatically grows. And our motivation also increases. And the effort you put in gives you happiness, not stress. So work on what you like. Number 2, focus on the big picture. When we say the whole earth will be underwater, they won't care. The problem here is that we can't focus on the big picture. For example, we don't start working until the deadline is too close. We don't start studying until there's only a week left before the exams. We finish whatever we can in a hurry. The goals which are far away don't trigger anything in us. We always have a fear when it comes to paying house rent. We won't sleep until we pay it. But we focus on short-term goals without focusing on long-term ones. Happiness from these short-term goals is also a short-term. If you have this big picture thinking, you'll be ready for the future. Break down every task you have into challenges. Then schedule these challenges. And complete these challenges within the schedule. Because of this, you will be on time. And your focus will increase a lot. So remember, break down, schedule, and complete challenges. Also, there is another technique. Our brain mostly reacts to immediate problems. So think of a faraway problem as an immediate problem. Because of this, your brain will start giving you solutions to the problem. Number 3, inspiring leaders help other people to become successful. 5800:05:59, 555:00:06:07:444. To become a good leader, a person needs focus and self-awareness. Sometimes we see bosses overworking their employees and feel happy that they achieved their target. This creates a toxic atmosphere within the office. Their targets make them blind to the way they treat their employees. Companies indeed want results from these leaders. But the leaders need to know that they have to work in a way that raises their employees' potential. A good leader always understands their team's limitations. A good leader can prepare a team with long-term thinking. A good leader understands his team's abilities and gets the work done. A great leader has a great vision, and he shares that with his team. Great people are making their teamwork like this and becoming even greater. They think of their whole team's success. Number 5, meditation will help you to maintain focus. Focus is not a gift that stays forever. It is like a muscle and has to be trained repeatedly. Meditation will be very helpful in strengthening focus. You all must have heard a lot about meditation, but the point you are going to hear now is important. Any beginner who meditates experiences a lot of minds wandering. When we try to meditate and get distracted, we think we are not able to meditate. This is something everyone experiences in meditation. So next time you go to meditate, tell yourself that you will concentrate back on your breathing when your mind wanders off. This is called meta-awareness, when you know your mind is going to wander but you are telling your mind to focus again. The same way you repeatedly train your muscle, you should also train to focus on one thing. The last point, think happy thoughts. Did you ever observe that your confidence is high when you are happy? How does this happen? The reason is positive thoughts increase our motivation. According to science, the prefrontal cortex in our brain will be active at this point. His part keeps reminding us of the reward for completing the task. This is the reason people who study well keep studying all the time. The ones with more focus see reality. For example, if you want to go to a new place, you think a lot and in the end, give up saying it's not for you. But the one with focus thinks of the positive things about going there and keeps triggering his motivation. He strengthens his focus by increasing his motivation. Experiencing positivity makes you want to try new things. Thinking about the positive things that will happen once you complete the work gives you motivation. Always look at the good things, create positive thoughts in your mind. We always keep thinking about how we can take calculated risks in our careers and businesses. If we always focus on losses or failures, we will never take these risks. Keep positive thoughts in mind and take risks. This will make difficult tasks seem easy. Let's just rewind everything before we close this video. Willpower is the key to focus. Willpower is very important for focus. If you want more willpower, do things you love. Focus on the big picture, break down your tasks into challenges, and complete these challenges according to the schedule. Break down, schedule, and complete the challenges 00:12:48, 555, 00:12:51. For 44 inspiring leaders help other people become successful. Great leaders are always focused, they have an idea about their team's abilities. A good leader always prepares his team for the upcoming tasks. Meditation will help you maintain focus. When you are starting meditation, be ready to bring back your focus when your mind wanders off and repeat this. Think happy thoughts, and maintain positive thoughts to have constant motivation. So friends, we get to this conclusion when we think about why some people are successful and others are not. Comment below the point which you misliked in this video. Thank you for watching our videos.